In today's video, I'm sharing with you one of my favorite tools for organizing my time. So this is called many things, the Urgent Important Matrix. Some call it the Eisenhower Matrix after President Eisenhower, who is known for his organizational skills. So let's jump right into it. So I'm going to pull it up on the screen here. So first thing we'll see is there's 4 quadrants. So we can see in this first quadrant that it's listed as urgent and important. So I also have the word do here, right? So this means this requires your special skills to do, and it's something that should be done as soon as possible, usually by the end of the day, if not within a few days. So what might go in this quadrant for someone who is a musician? Something like if you have a class coming up where you have, a music theory paper due, that would be urgent and important to complete. If you have something like a recital at the end of the week and you need to fill out a form so that you can get the recital recorded, something like that. That would be urgent and important for you to complete as soon as possible. Also in this category, when someone emails you for a gig, very important to try and respond as soon as possible so you don't lose out on the opportunity. Urgent and important category. So let's move on to the next category, which is not urgent but still important. So I've put the word decide in here. So decide when you will do things that are in this category. This quadrant is dedicated to things that are important to your goals and to your core values. So for example, say you want to sleep for 8 hours a night, right? That means you have to plan your day so that everything that you want to complete in the day, you finish at a certain point. Let's say you want to add exercise into your schedule, right? Or you want to move more during your day. You'll have to schedule it in. So for things in this category, they're not urgent. They don't need to be necessarily done right now, but they are things that need to be done either throughout the day, the week, or the month. So decide when you're going to do those things. In the next category, you'll find that it is under the urgent and not important category. So this is a special set of tasks that don't require your specific skills to complete and can be done by anyone. So these types of skills, you might want to see if you can delegate them to someone else, someone who may already be doing them, or someone who can take over that work for you to complete that task. So the last category is not urgent and not important. As you'll see, I have the word delete in this category. So this might be things like scrolling through Instagram or watching, a binged collection of series on Netflix, right? So these are things that you want to see how you can incorporate less of them into your schedule, especially your workday schedule. So this doesn't mean that you can't binge Netflix shows and movies or that you can't scroll through Instagram. It just means that you should try to find times when you're going to be working during the day and during the week, and sort of when you're going to plan for those other, not important and not urgent tasks like these to take place. Okay, so there you have it. That is the Urgent Important Matrix. I've included a PDF of this in the description box below so you can download that and fill out your own version of the matrix at home. So that's all I have for you today. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date on all my future content. All right, see you soon.